Hey guys, welcome back to Feature Friday. Today we're standing in front of one of the MORryde Independent Suspension systems that we installed. So if you want to come take a closer look, we'll show you what's going on and tell you a little bit more about them. So usually when you look down here, you would be seeing a leaf spring straight axle setup. We actually removed the leaf springs from these hangers here. We installed this new heavy duty riser. This riser is what your axles bolt to. And so you can see we got new axles on here, the new riser, the whole setup's complete. And with this now, each corner of his trailer actually will move independently. So when you're going down the road, if you're hitting bumps, everything is way smoother, way more stable. If you have any issues with things falling out of your cabinets or opening your door after you've stopped to things all over the floor, this conversion helps take that away. It's proven to be a very good transition, and it's proven to be a quality setup. We don't have as many issues on these as we would on a straight axle. You don't see broken leaf springs. You don't see anything broken on these. So it's definitely a more stable setup. You go to hard brake lines and electric over hydraulic braking system along with disc brakes instead of drum brakes. So you get smoother braking. You get a more valid braking system. And if you want to follow me over here, we're going to show you the master. Also, if you would like to see a little bit more in-depth video about how the MORryde works, MORryde made a video that shows the comparison from a straight axle to the MORryde conversion. So if you want to see that, it'll be in the description. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. So if you see here, we have our new hydraulic master cylinder. This is tied into the 7-pin that you hook your truck up to and your trailer to. So that is where you're getting your braking power from. It is now a very, very efficient braking system. It's very simple to maintenance. You just got to make sure that you have fluid in there and that you've got power to it, and it'll be working like it should. If you guys have any questions, or if you've been wondering about converting over to a MORryde, this is the perfect time. If you have disc brakes on your trailer already, it makes the conversion that much easier. We do not need to install a master cylinder. You already have electric over hydraulic braking. So all we would be doing is an axle swap at that point pretty much. We would be putting the new risers in instead of leaf springs and our new MORryde axles. So if you've been thinking about getting a MORryde, or if you just feel like you have an unstable coach, or if you have some issues driving your coach, then come to Henderson's lineup. We'll make sure to get you straight, driving down the road more stable. And if you like these videos, then we'll wish you safer and happier driving.